This is a 5-watt cooling fan for summer cooling fan jacket. Plug cable into fan. It's a small fan for jacket, so you can use a full piece of fan. Okay, so there's a power bank for this fan. Plug a cable into power bank. Say, switch button. Press this button. High speed. High speed. Press again, middle one. Again, slow. Again, turn off. This one is a bigger one. Bigger fan is 7.4 watt. Also is for summer jacket. Plug this cable into fan. This power bank for 7.4 watt. For this cooling fan for summer jacket. Plug this DC jack into battery. And here is a battery button. Press this. Turn off. Say this is the high speed. If you want to adjust the speed to middle and slow, you can press this button. Okay. Very slow. And this one is off speed. Big, slow. This have a full speed. Use battery to control them.